And welcome back. We are now going out live to Tom, who is at the Resource Center today.
Yes, Tom, we're ready for tips to be safer with Schaeffer.
That's absolutely right. Safer with Schaeffer. There's Schaeffer right there. John Schaeffer, and you can find him here at the Resource Center. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Okay. You know, we're still feeling 50s and things like that, and people may be letting something very important go by the wayside. You need to get on it now.
That's right. How to winterize your car.
All right.
It's coming. The weather's going to be here. Especially the holidays, you're going to be traveling for Christmas. Some great tips we're going to talk about today.
Yeah, and the thing of it is it's all about being safer. You keep your car in proper working order.
That's right.
You're helping ensure
That's
that.
right, yeah.
All right, is it necessary? Yes, it's
Oh,
necessary.
yeah. So your car may not start, you know, you may be stuck or stranded, or may not get to work in time, may be late. So increase of, you lose traction on your car, your tires. We're going to talk about that.
Visibility, all kinds of things.
All kinds of good
if you're not paying attention.
That's
All
right.
Here you're going to give some folks some tips on how to prepare for
Right.
this.
So in the winter, it gets cold, your battery is going to decrease. One tip we always throw out there, you may get you a trickle charger at night, especially if you park your car outside. Set that up there. You can also get it checked at usually O'Reilly's or different places to make sure your battery's good.
Right.
So also check your antifreeze levels. You want to make sure that your car has appropriate amount of antifreeze in it. It could freeze, bust a block. Could be out of, as far as your transportation goes.
Yeah,
so,
and replacing a radiator is no fun
No,
either,
no,
or
no
a water
fun.
pump or something, right?
Yeah. So also inspect your brakes. If your brakes start squeaking, you want to go get those checked out and replace. It's time to change them. That's why they squeak. So also one big thing is tire pressure and your tread pattern this time of year. So with this time of year and the tread, if you're out there on the ice, you're not going to get as good tread pattern. You're going to get lose control. You could crash. Could make your insurance go up.
Yeah, there was one thing we were talking a little bit about earlier concerning your tread.
Yep.
With a penny. If you turn Lincoln's head upside down and you stick it in the tread, if you can see all of his head, you need new tires.
Yeah, you better.
If part of it is under, you're doing pretty good.
Right. Ask Santa Claus for some new tires before Christmas.
That's perfect. All right.
So you also make sure you have full visibility of your windshield. Make sure your windshield's clean. That's one thing I always try to do. If I stop at the gas station, make sure and clean my windshield inside and out.
Yeah.
So
the other thing also with full visibility, don't stack stuff on your dashboard all the time.
That's right. Don't do that at all. So pack a winter safety kit. What does that consist of? That can be your ice scraper, hot hands, a blanket, road flares, a tire pressure gauge is good.
Yeah.
Anything that you may have if you get stranded on the side of the road, you want to make sure that you're protected and safe. So
winter wipers, they do make a difference.
That's right. Put new windshield wipers on. Yeah, everybody's bad about this. They think windshield wipers last forever. Every year you need to switch those out, put new ones in.
Yeah, and the winter ones have a little more weight and they clean better.
Right, yeah, for sure. And also keep your gas tank at least halfway full or full. It adds more weight to your car and you've got more traction in your car. So that extra weight in the back, if you fill it with 20 gallons of fuel versus just leaving 4 or 5 gallons in there, it really helps. And also, sometimes you get a lot of water in your gas, and having a full tank really helps that because the water will sit up at the top.
Yeah, and the time really to think about things like this is now.
Yep.
Don't wait till there's snow on the ground
Right,
already.
yeah. And don't be stuck, you don't want to get stuck at your in-laws' house and be stuck there for a couple more days than you have to.
I didn't say that, he did. Just the Grinch over there.
So with your insurance, check around. You want to shop around. That's what we do here at the Resource Center Insurance. We grab your information, we shop it for you. Roadside assistance, number one thing there. Make sure you have that, especially if you're out Christmas shopping, you leave a light on, battery goes dead, you call roadside assistance, they'll come jump your car for you.
Yep.
Also, make sure that you've got full coverage or comp coverage, which covers for hail damage. Also car theft, Christmas this time of year, car thefts go up.
Right, but there's the best one right there.
Yeah. Work with an independent agent as myself. We'll grab your information, we'll shop your insurance, and find you the best rate.
All right, show them how to get in touch.
That's right. Just give me a shout. If you scan this QR code, it goes right to a link. You can fill your information in, or you can call me at 417-766-4689.
All right, and there are some more ways to be safer with Schaeffer. Back to you.
Thank you, Tom. Always good tips from them, which is why they're there.
Yes, especially this time of year.